you enjoy working with me? I mean, tell me
Tell
that.
the truth.
Did I trouble you guys? Did I trouble you
we
guys?
enjoyed the entire process, and I actually did the movie. I told you because I knew that you wanted to make this movie for a long time and you do it passionately, and two, because he was a hero and I knew that we'll spend a lot of time in the makeup room together. But I think mainly the way the way you were passionate about it and the way you wanted us to do, and you would encourage, like I've never heard anyone praising me so much as Bella was telling me.
And about Bella, I agree with you. You know, she was so passionate about getting this movie. First of all, starting it, getting it off
How
the
many
ground.
years, Bella, you waited for it?
I think about Bombsy when did
48,
we?
48 years.
I think about 8-9 years.
That I can imagine, because I waited some 3 years for Mehuna to start and I was going to kill somebody by then if the movie had not started. So
And, yeah.
to have such a long wait, that is why I wanted to do the movie with you, because I knew that first movie, it's like having your first child. You
Yeah,
know how many
absolutely.
IVF cycles I have been through. You know how much you want that child.
What is the feeling of your first child?
I cried when I heard my son cry.
So he came out first.
Yeah. And when
Okay.
he did, when I started crying. So I know what she'll
Oh,
feel
Bella,
like.
Bella
She's
was
already crying. Please
already
get her
very
off.
passionate.
This way. Till this area. I plan to catch him from the two sides.
That's what I'm
I
saying.
generally used to see what everybody's and how everything is, organized, planned, everything.
But that is actually motivation enough when you see somebody. Otherwise, if somebody thinks it's another day at the office, you don't. The actors
I think
also.
for her, it was more like
Yeah.
Correct.
sometimes you would get hyper because it was her baby, and
Correct.
people were not maybe sometimes behaving the way, including us.
No, actually, I felt that y'all didn't misbehave on anything. Y'all were very good. In fact, if you hadn't cooperated with me, how I would have finished the film?
Exactly.
Let's pat her back.
Okay, so then he said, मैं तो सिर्फ अपना काम कर रहा था. अरे Sarosh, 38. We're taking one master, then we are doing 2 shots, close-ups and all. No, I'm saying if we came like this, you can. But this will reveal my nice thing,
I'll tell you what I enjoyed. I used to enjoy the rehearsal process. Because Farah would come to the van. I've said it before, I just want to make
He
it
just wants me to come to his van,
to
Bela.
his van. She would come to the van and say, Baman, वो kissing scene निकाल देते हैं यार. बोला ठीक है निकाल दो. तो चलो ठीक है. We'll rehearse and see. Half an hour she used to rehearse with me. No, dedicated, very conscientious and dedicated actress. So half an hour kissing का वो practice करती थी. Practice कर
daydreams you are having.
And then she would say, then we'll go on the set and tell Bela we are ready to do the kissing scene. And then she would say, नहीं करना है. And then again in the van she would start.
इतना kissing तो
But
मैंने
why do you
अभी
think?
husband का
But
भी
why
नहीं
do you
किया
think
है.
the chemistry is looking so good on screen?
You know, I'm really
So
very
lovely.
worried about this chemistry because everybody said you
Really?
and Bowman have great chemistry, and I would
But absolutely, I
But
mean, when
what
you see
kind
it,
of chemistry? Is it sexual chemistry? Is it
Everything,
like
all.
humor
it's,
chemistry?
it's everything mixed, na?
People say chemistry. What does it really mean? I
You'll
don't know.
vibe very well.
I think we are comfortable with each
Yeah.
other and we
That's
look
what.
good together. At least I look good, and you, because of me, I helped you look good also. Like you helped me act better, and
But
our comic timings were very good, both of us.
I think that because Farah inherently has got a great sense of humor.
Yeah.
And she would never try to perform the gag, She would do it as if she would do it in real life.
अरे तुमने तो बोला मैं अभी बॉयफ्रेंड हो गया.
तो ऐसा करने का कोई ढंग का मिला ही नहीं.
Surprising.
तुमने अभी तक शादी क्यों नहीं?
वही प्रॉब्लम है, कोई ढंग की मिली नहीं. मिनट तो इसमें ही लगते हैं, तेरे को मालूम है.
I came here before you 20 minutes.
But that doesn't make any difference. We are waiting for you to put on your clothes.
Best part is, how she used to fight with you. the light is not falling on my face and she to fight with
But
my
I have to look after myself. I'm looking
how-
nice in the movie because of that.
Bombsy, whether the light comes on your face or not, but the light has to be on my face. That
Yeah.
means there was an inherent actress in her.
That's true. And the shadow
The
that you would
hidden
create on
actress.
my face never bothered. Any time you put a shadow on my face never bothered you.
I was not looking at you that time. Cast of your movie, the others, yeah, it was lovely to shoot with them.
Superb.
Yeah.
Action! Indira, you are here? ये तुमने बताया कि
Soli Maka is
Yes,
incredible.
Soli Maka,
Daisy Aunty
all
is
of them.
incredible.
Shammi Aunty.
Shammi Aunty is incredible.
Yeah. And Daisy Aunty is outstanding in the film.
She's superb.
Superb in the film. Everybody.
Scene we were shooting at the Universal Cafe, and she was supposed to be drinking beer.
I was there in that scene.
And Daisy Aunty, before you all
Daisy
came
Aunty said,
in,
"Ke chalo beer lao, beer rako." And then she put the beer.
But you know, she's my Masi, I know, you all know. She has not drunk for last from
18
15
years.
or 18
she had about
years.
4 beers, I think.
So she must have thought कि now कला के लिए मैं पी लेती हूँ for the
But
sake of
क्या
art.
scene किया ना? Cheers
क्या
वाला
scene
scene.
किया?
क्या
Cheers
scene किया?
Cheers scene.
कुछ याद ही नहीं था वो. She couldn't remember her own name. She kept calling herself me. She kept saying मैं हूँ शिरीन. I said शिरीन मैं हूँ Daisy Aunty.
Cut, guys, cut!
Then we put her in the sidecar.
I never thought it is possible that Daisy Aunty can fit in that sidecar and that scooter doesn't go
No,
like
but then
this.
you have
No.
to give some credit to the stunt driving. I think.
Obviously,
Just
I
to
mean,
keep it balanced.
too good, Bomsy.
मला स्कूटर चालवायला येत नाही.
अभी मेरा टांग अंदर करो.
How will I get out?
How did she get out of that sidecar?
I was worried actually.
But she came out.
And you all have not kept it in the film, that shot.
Yeah.
So now,
But we have it in the making, so we will
please
put it.
in the making.
Yeah.
Well done.
Farah, surprisingly, you also look quite.
Arey, but
I
she
am
is
a
a
Parsi.
Parsi.
I
also.
know, but half Parsi.
But
But
I
you
look
more
Barbie. I
Parsi.
always look Barbie. In school also they used to call me.
But in that Lagan sequence, she is looking very.
Very nice, beautiful.
Very
In the
good.
white
Both in the
saree.
red sari and the white
I
sari.
prefer the red sari.
Yeah.
Fattest I'm looking in that sequence.
No, that's what you
Who's looking
think.
at
In
the
fact,
far
you
side?
look thinner in that.
Okay, very good.
One thing I must tell you that people think that Sanjay is very temperamental and this and that, but to write a story like this, a script like this, I mean, a lot of people don't believe that, oh, Sanjay has
It
written
is
this.
not,
you know.
totally not his.
But Sanjay has a very good flair for comedy.
And also this is, we know him for drama and little over the top. This is very like slice of life and
Yeah.
very, you know, very Rishikesh Mukherjee, that
Yeah,
zone of
absolutely.
movies which is missing nowadays.